So as you can see behind me, we have Dan's car, and again, he's got this super aggressive hood. He's got a carbon fiber front lip. He's got carbon fiber side skirt extensions, carbon fiber mirrors, but the back looks naked. So today, we're gonna show you how to install F32 carbon fiber rear bumper splitters. Hey, this is Bryan. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. Late last year, you may have seen a video where we installed carbon fiber side skirt extensions on an F30, and as you can see, it adds so much aggression to the rear bumper. Without it, it's a little bit soft, but with it, it adds a nice edge and a nice amount of aggression. Today, we're going to show you how to do that exact same process on an F32 4 Series. Before we get started with the installation, let's check out the before and after. First step of this process is to make sure everything is clean. We like to use 70% isopropyl alcohol. You want to wipe down the part. And also, even though this car is clean, we're going to wipe the bottom of the car. The next thing you need to do is get some double-sided adhesive. I need a piece about this big. You want to line this. And then carefully trim off any excess. Now, in most situations, double-sided adhesive is really gonna be more than enough for what you need. I mean, when you think about it, most trunk lips are just secured with the exact same product. But for extra security, we are going to put in 3 screws. But before we do that, let's get this stuck on the bottom of the car. So the first step to do that is you wanna peel off a little portion of the tape on each side. Now, similar to how we do our trunk clips, what we're going to do, we're going to put this on, we're going to peel off this side too. We're going to position it in place, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to gradually pull this off, and it's going to make sure that everything stays exactly where you want it. Now, the reason that you want to peel up both sides is sometimes as you're peeling it along, it'll actually break off. And if that happens, it's just going to give you a little safety net so that you can still recover. Now, the other important note that I want to mention is when you pull the tape off, you want to pull it off this way because it's nice and flat. You don't want to have to go up and around the bumper and over this groove. Okay, so with that, you want to just carefully line everything up. Just going to be right there. Press and hold that. Then you can just take your tape, just pull it off, okay? Just like that, and everything is still in place. I'm just gonna press and hold this for a couple seconds and make sure that it properly adheres. Now what we're going to do is we are going to drill 3 very small holes. Now if you're using self-tapping screws, you obviously don't have to do this. The ones that we have are not self-tapping, so we're gonna put a little pilot hole, and then we're going to secure it with 3 small screws. Now if you have a traditional drill, you may wanna jack up the rear of the car, but we have this nice DeWalt 90-degree angle tool, which you've probably seen in a lot of our videos. Put a little hole there, a little hole there, and a little hole there. I'm gonna put my first screw in here. And remember not to go in too far because it is carbon, and if you go crazy, it's going to crack it. All right, there you have it. This side is fully installed, and it looks incredible. So with that, we're just gonna time lapse the next side, but I'm gonna hop over and do the other side. So as you can see, this carbon fiber rear bumper splitter looks absolutely incredible and adds so much aggression to the rear of this car. Now, as we said earlier, they're available for the F32, the F80, and we also have some available for some other makes and models. So if you are interested in any of the products or tools we use in today's video, be sure to see the links down in the description. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at kiesmotorsports.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.